So this is Camping La Brande, established 1963, and we've been coming here for the last 20 years probably. And it's a 5-star campsite, and you can see the prices for camping, for camping car vary from 19 through to 44 high season. It's situated on the east side of the island, not far from Le Chateau d'Oléron. It's the less popular side of the island because of the west side has all of the best beaches, but it's on the route de Huître, and it really is beautiful. There are actually some beaches here, just literally 200 yards over the way there, and they're more nature reserves and wild beaches. So the wildlife here is quite incredible, and it's a quieter side of the island too. Now they take recycling really seriously here, really good recycling facilities, all the normal stuff, plus a few extras you maybe don't see in the UK, so recycling of oyster shells. But everything's here, due for collection. Oh, and the other thing which is quite novel is the déchets compostables. So there you go, that's all of the vegetable matter, all the stuff that will compost down. It's on one of the main cycle routes on the island. The island's literally laced with really safe and well protected cycle routes. So you can go from here all the way up to Boyardville and across to the other side of the island as well. They're all interconnected. It's also on the main bus route, Navette de Plage. This is a free bus service that goes around all of the main beaches and all of the main towns on the island in the high season, July and August. It's a reasonably regular service, and it's free. La Brande has a restaurant with it as well, Bistro Loco, which is a full restaurant but also pizzas and various cafe takeaway. Reception with a lovely group of staff who look after your every need. Closed at the moment. They have a small range of essential grocery items. You can hire bikes here too. Range of upright bikes, a few buggies, carriers people areas. One of the loveliest things about the Brande is the well-maintained gardens. It's literally acres of beautifully kept shrubs and trees and herbs. It's all available. A couple of table tennis tables for you. There's a children's play area and petanque and bowling. There's also a lovely heated swimming pool with a covered roof, children's play area. This is like a splash zone. Comes alive when the buttons are pressed. Really gorgeous. This used to be the area for the sauna and the hot tub. They've moved that to another quiet zen area. So yeah, quite a bit for the kids to do, and we've not shown it in the film, but there's also two really lovely shower blocks, both of which are open during the high season in July and August. Home service area, grey waste, freshwater top up. Plus, if you haven't got your barbecue kit with you, they provide. And these are some of the smaller pitches around the far side of the campsite, all with electric hookup here, 10 amps. There's quite a lot of decent shade in this part of the campsite, which is really nice. We've had temperatures of up to 39 degrees this week, so you definitely need the shade through the particularly July and August. Range of chalets and cabins here too that you can rent out from about £400, €400 a week in the low season. Water points dotted around the site, and there's a nice big, I guess this is the play area, dog walking area, five-a-side football pitch, basketball, and they do a tir la largue, archery as well. The campsite is bordered by oyster beds, so there's a lot of areas to attract in the wildlife. The wild birds are incredible. You see egret, heron, crane. We've even seen a hoopoe here, and yeah, it's really beautiful. They have spectacular sunsets nearly every evening throughout the year, I'd say. Coucher du soleil. It's fantastic. Because of the amount of water around here, it is quite bad for mozzies. You need to bear that in mind. The scenery and the wildlife completely makes up for it. In the spring and the autumn, where it's incredibly quiet here, and the weather is remarkably good as well. But in the main July and August season, there's a full program of animation, plenty to do. Out of season, the bar and the various other facilities are not fully open. Who needs that when you've got all this?